This is the final iteration of the personal sound effect device, also known as the Pusifixed. And here, the switch over here turns it on. So it comes on, and then the slider where my thumb is operating scrolls through all the tunes, the sound effects. So, if one would like the sad trombone, you activate this little contact switch, and you have the appropriate sound effect. Of course, this is only amusing if you use it at the right time. So the small speaker that's already built in is useful for quiet situations such as this, where someone might say a joke like, "A man walks into a bar, ouch." So the appropriate sound effect would be loud enough for a quiet situation. However, for louder situations, there's a 3.5mm jack right here that you can plug into, and the components are all sandwiched between two acrylic pieces of plastic. Two pieces of acrylic. Acrylic is plastic. And powered by 3 nickel metal hydride batteries. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the Pusifixed. Thank you for listening.